So we're gonna try the strawberries and cream soda. Focus. You guys picked it. You guys voted for it. So we're gonna try it. I am ready. Ooh, I'll pick it up in a second. Okay, kind of smells like strawberries. What was I expecting? Okay, let's just try it. It can't be bad, right? Whoa, that's like a heavy strawberry flavor. Traffic's getting heavy today. So many trucks passing by. Okay, back to the soda. I'm going off track. Okay, this it does have that strawberries and cream flavor, kind of like aftertaste, but the strawberry flavor is like really heavy. Like not with the apple pie soda. That one was like mild, but this one you could like really taste the strawberry flavor, and it's not bad. I'm covered in soda. It's like leaking, but it's I'm starting to wonder if I like this one more than the. If I like the cherries and cream soda more than this one, but so far it's not that bad. I mean, I do like the heavy, like strong strawberry flavor to it. And I'm getting an artificial taste now, but like still, like the strawberries. Your strawberry flavor is like more pronounced than the strawberries and cream as advertised, but I can't compare it to like a strawberry sucker or anything. Rude. No, you can't have this. Dog staring at me like she wants a soda. I'm clearly I like it. I'm still drinking it, but like if I had to rate this one out of five, this was like a 3.5, a 4, 3.5, 4 for me. I mean, they're all gonna have that like artificial taste, like expect that, and sugar, of course, but like it's not that bad. There goes my neighbor's dog that likes to bark at literally everything that walks by. Um, anywho, it's on the sweetness. It's like not super sweet, but it's just like sweet enough. You get the strawberry and cream flavor, and like the artificial sugary taste. Like, it's not bitter either. It's like it's kind of like I don't want to say in between, but it's like in between. You know, it's not really bitter. It's like it's sweet, but like the right amount of sweetness, where it's not like you're eating a whole thing of cotton candy or just dumping sugar in your mouth. Other than that, I like it. Not bad. You know, 3.5 out of 4 for me. And I'll probably do another poll. You know, see which one gets the most votes, and I'll pick that one. Maybe we'll see. Maybe I just pick a random one. But until then, see you next video. And again, if y'all want to check out the sodas, I will link it in the description, where it always is. And I'll see you next video. Stay weird.